Hello! In this video we will show you how to add your technology info box. When you entered your company name and you click on the what you see is what you get editor, you might have to scroll down again to your company, and here you can place the cursor behind your company name, press enter maybe 2 times and click on insert template. Within this window you have to enter info box, provider, and then your technology name, which is the article name. Here it is gas fermentation, and here it is already. Now you see the fields that are available for the gas fermentation info box, and please choose all of the fields and fill in your information. So for example, choose company and fill in your company name. Choose country, fill in your country. And for example, fill in your technology readiness level. Please don't fill in image. We will explain in the next video how we will add your company logo. So if you are ready with your info box fields, you can insert the box by clicking on insert, and here you see the info box is inserted. And please always be sure to hit the Save Changes button, otherwise your changes will be deleted. In the next video we will show you how to add your company logo.